This is the first time I've seen photography is allowed. This looks good. Everything looks good. Oh man. Wow, this is what old Malaysia used to look like. I have no clue where we are, how we got here. Scavenger hunt. If you find these, you get $5. Yeah, thank you, brother.
And in around 7 minutes, there'll be a show here.
Okay, 7 minutes show. More food. It's like they knew I was coming. MinNature. This is where you're supposed to see a bunch of Malaysia in miniature sculpture. So you're about to see right here. Hey, how are you? All right. What time you close? Okay, so you okay?
Until 8 p.m.
Okay, it's our first time here, so it's me, my wife, and 3 kids, 5, 4, and 2 years. You're gonna see a bunch of Malaysian history. You want me a mini Turk in Istanbul. Thank you, brother.
How do you know us?
Google Maps. Yes, yes.
Searching for new things to do around here?
So yeah, I'm a YouTuber, so every time I get a chance to go to a different country, I try to go to like something like this or a boat ride where I can kind of see multiple places at once.
Okay.
And then from there, go check it out.
Alright.
Yeah. Thanks so much.
Over here?
This way? Okay, thank you, brother. Alright, so this is what you get. This is the first time I've seen photography is allowed. They have one in Atlanta? What? What is this? Where are you from? Huh? Where are you from? Somebody from Atlanta. Somebody from Atlanta has already been here. Ah, you put a sticker here. Here, give me the sticker. Okay, that's what it is. Okay. Marwa smart. Marwa, no. Marwa, no, Marwa. You put it in Iraq. You put it in Kirkuk, right here. Let's see.
Marwa's coming in America.
Marwa is American, but American's already taken. Should we put one? Should we put one for? Yeah, there's. Put one for Cartersville. So these are all the people that have been from this side of the world. They put a sticker from where you're from. So nobody from Ghana has been here. Let's see. Okay, Tom. Okay, I saw. Yes, I saw. Zimbabwe. Nobody from Zimbabwe has been here. Malawi. Uganda. Uganda's nobody been here from Uganda. Very few people from Dubai. Interesting. Iraq. We were the third one. We're the second one from Iraq. Huh? We were the second people from Iraq. That's when me and my wife were born. Yeah. Okay. Turkey got quite a bit. Nobody from Armenia. Sarah, this is a map. Where's New Zealand? Where's New Zealand, Sarah? Where's New Zealand? This is a good map for you, Sarah. Yeah, here, New Zealand. Where's Maldives, Sarah? Maldives, there you go. Well, how far is it from Qatar? See? Qatar, Maldives. This is farther from Malaysia. We might go to Maldives next. Put one in Cartersville. Come here. Sarah, why are you putting it in Florida? Sorry, we're not in Florida. We're gonna put it right here. There we go. Cartersville, Georgia. See that? Then to the mask you. Where are your mask, please? See that? So this is typical Malaysian food kiosk. It takes about 8 weeks to build this. Looks like that's what it says right here. 8 weeks. Oh, I'm fasting and I can eat it. I'm so hungry. Today is our last day of fasting, by the way. So I fasted 28 days. Thank God. Thank for the opportunity to fast. I got 2 days to make up. This looks good. Everything looks good. Oh man, my mouth is watering. We can have everything except the pork. That's it. Whoa, this is what old Malaysia used to look like. Durian. I've never had it. Maybe if I convince myself, I'll have it on this trip. Kids going to school with gators, looking at them for lunch. Fortunately, there are still kids in the world that have to go through this hard experience to go to school. I saw a show the other day on Tet, like I said, and it just breaks your heart. What? Train working. Oh, yeah. So you press a button, train works. Pulau Penang. So this is Fort Cornwallis. This is Penang Museum. Penang Mansion. And all this is in Georgetown. Penang, Georgetown. First British settlers in Southeast in 1786. Now, the scavenger hunt. If you find these, you get $5. Yeah, thank you, brother.
And in around 7 minutes, there'll be a show here.
Okay, 7 minutes show.
There'll be a light show.
Okay, we'll come back here and watch the show. Thank you. Chin Swee Cave Temple. 28 acres of rocky forest in Genting Highlands. Wow, more here. So this is Malaysia is one of the most diverse countries. You have the Malay people, you have the Chinese, you got Indian, you got Sikh, you got I don't know this, but Iban, hope I'm saying it right. And then this one is new, Kada Zandusun. And this is what their outfit, national outfit, looks like. Very diverse, but yet they still get along, respect each other, love each other, and it's a phenomenal experience to be able to see this, especially coming from US, where the US unfortunately is pretty divided right now. More food. It's like they knew I was coming. The actual duck heads that we saw in Singapore, they have it here. This is Malacca, which is a city south of Kuala Lumpur. Very popular with tourist people. This is the very famous National Mosque, Grand Mosque, as people call it. We've had a chance to visit it 2015. It is huge. We've not had a chance to visit this masjid. I cannot think of it right now. Masjid Jamak. Yep, Masjid Jamak. Built in 1907. The Great Sacrifice. On February 1st, 1974, the 8th Sultan of Selangor, the late Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Sheikh Al-Hajj, made a really great sacrifice in the interest of the country. So it looks like capital was handed over from one state to another. It's called the Kuala Lumpur Agreement 1974. fancy. One light show done, headed to the next. Kuala Lumpur, here we go. Kuala Lumpur flag is very similar to US flag. This is a famous mosque as well. Sultan Abu Bakr State Mosque. Constructed in 1892. So it looks like we're on the industrial side now. There goes the train. Batu Caves, we were supposed to go there today, but it started raining really hard. This is Terengganu. We've not been there. It looks nice. This was it? MinNature is way better. They're doing it all right there with 3D printer. Seeing something I've never seen before, where it's just a pile of shoe on the ground, on the floor, whatever, and you just go pick it up and buy it. Let me see if I can go back and show it to you. I have no clue where we are, how we got here. We're looking for a toy. We're looking for a toy for Mariam. Mariam fasted yesterday, so we're gonna get her toy. Yeah. Alright guys. That's got to be like the oldest, most banged up train I've seen. I know you can't see it well on that side, but wait till it comes back to the other side. We just passed underneath it and I couldn't believe how rusted it was. But we're outside of the mall. No clue where we are. But it looks like there's a lot of people here. And there's a mall across the street that we're trying to go to and get Miriam a toy. I'm gonna see if I can catch the train that comes back around. I think this is gonna be our new favorite place. Assalamu alaikum. It's a Syrian family. They got a shop here. It's a Syrian restaurant. Damascus. Well, it's good. We're gonna be here for break our fast. We're at the Malaysia National Grand Mosque, biggest mosque in Malaysia.